everyone, this is Dany from Harmon, Puebla Juárez, and today's tutorial is about false friends. These are words that are similar in two languages but have a different meaning. Today we're going to look at words in Spanish and English that are false friends. For example, we have embarrassed and embarazada, actually and actualmente, confidence and confianza, library and librería, soap and sopa, familiar and familiares, and sensible and sensible. So let's look at the correct definitions in English. For example, embarrassed means to be ashamed. Actually means in fact or to give interesting information. Confidence means self-assurance. Library is the place where you check out books or borrow books. Soap is used to take dirt away. Familiar is something that is well known or recognized. And sensible means logical. Now, your challenge is to look up the definitions in Spanish and comment them below.